So you might be trying to figure out how you can use GIFs or GIFs, whatever you want to call them, inside of comments or inside of your DMs inside of Instagram. So essentially it would look something like this. So what you would do is you would be able to go ahead and send a GIF or a GIF, whatever you want to call it, and just like this via Instagram. Now this is a rolling out feature. It's an ongoing feature and it's not available to everybody just yet. So keep that in mind. But a way you can check to see if you even have this capability yet is to make your way over to your Instagram application. So open up Instagram, and what you want to do here is you want to go ahead and find a comment section or a DM that you want to go ahead and send. So you can go and click on the comment section of this photo, whatever it is, doesn't matter. And what you want to do is you want to go and click on the comment, and you want to see right next to the post icon, you want to see if there's like a little GIF icon right next to it. So if we go and make our way over to another page right here, you can kind of get an idea of what it essentially looks like. So you can see right here, you will have your icon right here, you'll have your text here, and then you will also have the GIF icon right there. Now you can see for me, I do not have that icon. So that means this account doesn't have that feature just yet. Now, like I said, it's coming out in a rolling basis, so it's not available for everybody just yet. But if you have that GIF icon there, then that's great. You could also go to your DMs right here. You can go and make your way over here. And if you have the same type of thing, it'll go and show you GIF right there. Just like how it is here right next to your like photo and then the GIF right there. If you have it, it should be available right there. You can try clicking on the plus icon, maybe it'll show up there. If for some reason it does not show up or it doesn't look like it's capable, then you may just want to go and see if you have an update available for Instagram. So update Instagram, just go on Instagram like this, click here, type in Instagram, try updating Instagram, not Instacart, but Instagram. Go ahead and update that application, and that might end up fixing the problem. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.